It's time for your motherfucking neighborhood Jesus Shades. You're watching Shades Wade.
What's good, guys? So we're back out here in the garage. I was looking at my videos, and one of my more popular videos is the TPS install and calibration video. That video came out a year ago, and it's getting close to like 3,000 views, which, you know, isn't that many, but for this channel, 300 subs, it's one of the more popular videos. So the irony is, I saw that today, and then I was talking with Camo FK8, who's a lot smarter than me. I've been getting this weird code, this P0123 code. Basically what that is TPS circuit voltage too high. So it's been a year since that video, since I installed the Acuity TPS and calibrated it. I think the voltage has gotten offset a little bit. So the voltage is a little too high. It's probably like 0.51 or 0.52 or something like that. So today we're going to recalibrate it. We're going to check and see what the voltage is currently, and then we're going to, you know, get it back to 0.48 like we've had it for the past year and had virtually no problems whatsoever. And also, I talked to a tuner today at National Speed. Now, I was telling him about my dream goal, whatever you want to call it, about the ITBs and somewhat retaining some drivability, you know, daily drivability. It's not a race car, so it's not going to be full race mode, right? He told me that daily drivability is absolutely achievable with ITBs. It just is a pain in the ass. There's a lot more tuning time and stuff like that. So it doesn't matter if you do a 51 millimeter trumpet or if you do 70 millimeter trumpets, you know? It's more about doing the part throttle and the throttle linkage, getting the correct thing, you know? So I think instead of going with 51s, we're just gonna go with some 70s. You know, I think we're gonna go balls to the wall, because I mean, it's gonna be fucking awesome. I cannot wait. I'm so excited. And I got my last paycheck from O'Reilly, a whopping $530. So we're feasibly a fourth or a fifth of the way to some ITBs, and I don't necessarily think we're gonna get the ITBs installed and tuned before H-Day, unfortunately, but I think to a degree we'll get the car buttoned up as good as we can, because there's always H-Day in September. I think I'm really putting my eggs in my basket for getting the car completely the way I want for September. Like, if shit doesn't go well this time in April, I'm not going to sweat it. There's always September. There's always, you know, there's always next year. You know what I mean? So anyways, I just thought I'd give you guys a little update on that, and I guess let's get to the checking the voltage and checking to see if we need to calibrate this. Okay, so we got our calibration harness in between the TPS sensor and the wiring plug. So now all we need to do is put our multimeter here. Now the middle wire is going to be your signal. That's what the positive is going to go to, and then I think the far left is going to be where the ground goes to. So now turn on your accessory position, and then turn on your multimeter, maybe, and then we are going to check the voltage. And just as I suspected, it's at 0.51. So basically what that means is Yeah, it's at 0.51. So it is a little high. So what we need to do is we need to adjust it. Now, to adjust it, it's a little bit of a pain because the screw on the bottom is the real problem. Now if I hold these two right there, point all the way far right is 0.39. That's 0.85. So all the way, if you start going this way, counterclockwise, you're going to bottom out at 0.85. If you go all the way right, you're at 0.39. So then try to find that middle ground of 0.48 right there. And the problem is I need to snug up that that Allen key on the bottom. Needs to be right there. So what I need to do is just snug up the bottom Allen key so it won't have as much play. And grab my phone. Okay, so I have it on 0.48 right now. So what I need to do is I need to snug that up and not move it like at all, which can sometimes be a fucking challenge. This is the one thing I hate about doing this, is if you're doing it by yourself, man, it's kind of a pain in the ass. If you have somebody to hold shit for you or hold a light, or if you can get a long enough Allen key that has a fucking grip, or so many pieces to the equation, you know what I'm saying? Alright, she's starting to snug up a little bit. Hey now, let's be good. Don't do that. Now, I'm going to double check, make sure I didn't, move it. No, she's still on 0.48. She's still good to go. Now what we need to do is, I'll tighten the bottom one a little bit more, but what I need to do now is start.
Keep
good to go. Alright, so hope this helped you guys. If you're having issues with your TPS, like I said, I haven't had to adjust it for a year, so the fact that you might have to adjust it once a year every, I guess it depends on person to person, application to application, but once a year is not bad, honestly. Really can't go wrong with that, you know. So thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys later. Peace. Be y'all. See how she drives. Whatsoever. If you look at K-Pro's wideband going off of your primary O2 sensor, I mean, the way it fluctuates is way quicker. It has a lot less latency than this thing. This thing has tons of latency. It's very fluctuating. So, I think that's about it for tonight, guys. I'll catch y'all later.